In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Confluence Whiteboards to brainstorm ideas, plan projects, and collaborate visually with your team. To get started, sign into your Confluence workspace and navigate to the space where you want to create a whiteboard. Make sure you have permission to create content in that space. Next, click the Create button in the top navigation bar. From the available content types, select Whiteboard. Confluence will open a new blank whiteboard where you can begin working. Once the whiteboard opens, start adding content using the toolbar. You can insert sticky notes, shapes, text boxes, connectors, images, and other visual elements to organize your ideas. Drag and resize items as needed to create diagrams, workflows, mind maps, or project plans. To collaborate with your team, simply share the whiteboard with other users who have access to the space. Multiple team members can edit the whiteboard simultaneously, making it ideal for brainstorming sessions, sprint planning, retrospectives, and workshops. As your ideas develop, you can continue organizing your whiteboard by grouping related items, connecting shapes with arrows, and rearranging content to create a clear visual flow. Since whiteboards are part of Confluence, they remain connected to your pages and documentation, making it easy to keep all your project information in one place. When you're finished, save or publish the whiteboard so your team can access and continue collaborating whenever needed. That's how to use whiteboards in Confluence. Thanks for watching.